Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Astro Global School. Today we are going to start lesson number 6 in English literature. So, first open your English textbook to page number 55. Okay. So now you can see the name of our new lesson. What is it? Charlie's Daily Dose of Sunshine. Now, this story is about a bird. Now, which bird is it? What happens? This will be seen further in the lesson. So, let's start reading first. Can you please take him, ma'am? Asked the man in the park. You always take in orphaned animals. Now what happened? The writer या फिर जिसने ये लेसन लिखा है वो एक पार्क में थे. तभी एक आदमी आके उनसे कहता है कि आप प्लीज़ इसे ले सकते हो because you always take in orphaned animals. Now, I looked at the baby raven. It was tiny and shivering. Now, which bird was it? Baby raven. Underline, everyone. It was tiny and shivering. मतलब वो छोटा सा था और काँप रहा था. In some way, my home had become a shelter for unwanted animals. Now, what is the writer saying? Ki my home had become a shelter for unwanted animal. Now, shelter means what? A safe place. ऐसे एनिमल्स जिनके पास घर नहीं है या फिर बीमार हैं तो उनको जो ऑथर है वो अपने घर पे लाती थी. इसीलिए वो ऐसे कह रही हैं कि मेरा घर अभी एक सेफ प्लेस बन गया है अनवांटेड एनिमल्स के लिए. मतलब जिसके पास कोई घर नहीं है, कोई नहीं रख रहा उन्हें, तो उन्हें ऑथर रखती है. Tame or wild. As I looked at the raven, I realized that I was perhaps his only chance of survival. Means, when she looked at the little raven, she got to know or realized that the only chance of survival of this raven was her house. मतलब वो इतना छोटा सा था और काँप रहा था कि अगर ऑथर उसको घर नहीं लेके जाती तो वो मर सकता था. So I brought the raven home and called him Charlie. Now underline Charlie. What was the name of the bird? Charlie. He grew to be a very lovable pet. Now, what do you mean by pet? The animal or birds we keep in our house is known as our pet. The children of the neighborhood loved him. They were delighted by the way he swallowed worms. They often dug worms to feed him. Charlie loved eating worms. Now what happened? The children who used to live in the neighborhood loved Charlie. They were amazed seeing how Charlie would swallow the worms. Worms means छोटे छोटे कीड़े आते हैं ना, that. They often dug worms to feed him. वो मिट्टी में से खोद के worms निकाल के चार्ली को खाने के लिए लाते थे. Charlie loved eating worms. Means Charlie just liked eating worms. I had a dog, ZK. Now, ऑथर के पास एक डॉग भी था, उसका नाम क्या था? ZK. Now underline ZK. He loved animals and had helped me look after quite a few abundant kittens and ducklings. Now, ZK को भी एनिमल्स बहुत पसंद थे. वो ऑथर की हेल्प करता था उनका देखभाल करने में. What did he do? He took care of kittens and ducklings. Kittens means baby cats and duckling means baby ducks. Now he looked after Charlie. Now वो kittens को भी संभालता था, ducklings को भी, and now he's looking for after Charlie also. After I had given Charlie a bath, ZK would allow the bird to snuggle. Snuggle means settle in a warm and comfortable position, usually very close to someone. Now you can see in this picture, after Charlie had the bath, where he would sleep in ZK's arms, means very near to ZK. That gave Charlie warmth. Generally, ravens do not like to be given bath, but our Charlie would sit till his eyes gets closed. Generally, ravens को नहाना पसंद नहीं है, but Charlie वो तब तक वाटर में रहता था जब तक उसको नींद नहीं आ जाती. Afterward, he would sleep between the dog's paws. ZK and Charlie were very good friends. Now what happened? ZK and Charlie, they became friends. Charlie kept us all very happy. Soon after he learned to talk, he started to imitate me. Now what do you mean by imitate? Copy. अभी क्या हुआ? चार्ली धीरे धीरे बोलने सीखने लगा, तो वो क्या करता था? ऑथर की कॉपी करता था. He would call out to ZK in my voice and poor ZK would come running. What he used to do? He used to call ZK in author's voice. और ZK दौड़ के आ जाता था. He would think I had put food in his bowl, but he would find it empty. Charlie would fly to the topmost branch of a tree and would give his loud belly laugh. Now loud belly laugh means a very deep laugh or loud laugh. अभी क्या करता था? Charlie, he used to call ZK in author's voice. ZK को क्या लगता था कि author had put food in his bowl, but when he used to come running, he used to find the bowl empty. And seeing this, Charlie used to laugh. ZK of course would be upset. He would refuse to play with Charlie for the rest of the day. Now what happened? ZK would become upset and refuse to play with Charlie. ZK had a pebble collection which he did not allow anyone to touch. Now what did ZK had? A pebble collection. उसके पास एक पेबल्स का कलेक्शन था जो वो किसी को भी छूने नहीं देता था. However, this never stopped Charlie from getting near them. He used the pebble collection to play catch with ZK. He would slowly step across the lawn towards ZK's precious collection, turning often to look at ZK, who would catch his every step. Now what happened? Because ZK had this precious pebble collection, वो किसी को छूने नहीं देता था. But what Charlie did? He used to go near the pebbles and he used to play catch with ZK with those pebbles. And when ZK used to see Charlie coming near the pebbles, he used to watch him very carefully. Charlie would pretend to pick up a pebble. Zeke would come running. It seemed as he would tear Charlie apart. Now what happened? When Zeke used to see Charlie is going to pick up a pebble, he used to run towards him as if he'll catch and tear. Tear मतलब फाड़ देगा Charlie. But as Zeke was about to touch him, Charlie would fly, sit in a tree and laugh loudly. They played this game a number of times. But जैसे ही Zeke Charlie को छूने वाला होता है, he used to fly away and laugh loudly. Charlie never left us. He would often fly away with the other ravens in the mornings. But at sunset, he never failed to come home. What happened? Charlie never left them. वो सुबह दूसरे रेवंस के साथ उड़ जाता था, but at sunset he used to come back home. Every evening I could hear the children chorus, Charlie's home, Charlie's home. Now when the children used to see Charlie coming home, they used to shout that Charlie is back home. Charlie brought a daily dose of sunshine in our lives. He taught me to start looking at the rainbow instead of the rain. Now, what did Charlie teach to the author? To start looking at the rainbow instead of the rain. मतलब हमें हमेशा अच्छी चीज़ों की तरफ देखना चाहिए. मीन्स क्या अच्छा होने वाला है. We should not get upset seeing the rains, but we should hope for the rainbow. Like see, अभी आपके एग्ज़ाम्स फिनिश हुए हैं, तो फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आपके कम मार्क्स आए, तो आपको कम मार्क्स देख के सैड नहीं होना चाहिए, बट यू शुड थिंक कि हम अगली बार और अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे एंड और मार्क्स लाएंगे. सो अभी आपको पता चला लेसन का नाम चार्लीज डेली डोज ऑफ सनशाइन क्यों है, क्योंकि वो सबको एक न्यू होप देता था, इसलिए. सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर दिस लेसन. होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड, एंड इफ नॉट you can ask me. Okay, bye everyone, take care.